Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is dirty blues rock guitar. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also join the HPCrazy Academy with a free member account or a premium member account. Yo, what are we talking about today? Playing a really dirty blues rock guitar. Yeah, stuff like that. So we just talked about lead guitar, and in this case lead guitar also includes playing chords and playing dirty chords. And I've been using the wah pedal here, but if you don't have a wah pedal, you can do the same thing without wah, but it's recommended since with the wah you really get the extreme notes out of the sound. So let's get started. Alright guys, the main trick to play dirty blues rock guitar is to play dirty. How do we do that? The trick is not so much to play fast runs. Of course, it's cool to have like one or two fast runs, which I'm going to show you, but it's to play dirty. And also, in this case, follow the chords. So we first need to check out the chords of this riff here. It's in D. It's played with a drop D tuning, but I'm not showing the riff. It just is D, shuffle, and then it goes to C, then to G. I'm gonna show you. So D, D, now it goes to C. And now the same thing again goes to C and then G, C, to G, to D, and ends up with on A. It's really simple. So these are the chords. And we try to follow the chords in the solo. You don't need to know the chords exactly. Just know that these changes happen. So next thing, you need to know three positions, or at least three positions. You need to know D minor pentatonic here, position number 1. I'm gonna write them down for you if you don't know them. You need to know position number 4, which is the opening sequence. Here, in this case in the 5th, 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 6, 8, 5, 7, and also the lower part of position 3, which is here. 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, and this root note. And you play the position 3, then you go up to position 4. Okay. So I'm gonna write that. You just play the pentatonics and slide up in the next position, go up to the top note. And when you do this, this is the bridge to jump into position 1. Okay? So that's the first thing which you can do, but it's not really needed to play a full run. I'm gonna switch on the delay again. Second thing is, of course, to sum up, make your sound more dirty, have your delay here. 7 repeats, set on the beat on this of the song. See, and when it's put on the sound, see, now I use this position. Let me switch off the delay again. You can do it fast or slow. Slow. And then you jump in position 1. And then one trick which I always do to make the jump direct in the bending with vibrato. This one here. And it doesn't matter if you have a lot of noises before the bending. Sometimes I even make I just make one stroke in the open string and then jump in the bending, and with the vibrato plus the sound, it should sound pretty intense. The second thing, now I just played the quarter notes, but what I did, the higher I went, the more movement I had on the strings, and the more I went in the pinch harmonic, the more extreme pinch harmonic. Don't just play a run up that is played. Try to make a movement from down to up, to from low intensity to high intensity, and then jump in the. See? If you have a wah, you can underline this movement. Make the tension even more with your wah. Now we're going to switch on the delay again. Now with the sound, we're going to see the effect. What is also recommended, play the bending twice, you know, or in your 3. And the last one, there you give the strong vibrating before you just prepare till you get there. And now you're in the bending, you need to get out of it. That's a good trick to do. You make the bending and then pull off, and then without attacking at all, just legato. And end it up. This gives a really intense thing here, okay? So let's see how this works. Oh, wait. I have to switch on the delay again. It makes it even more intense with the delay. I mean, yeah, you see. I did now without raw, and don't think about precision too much. Just think about intensity and dirt. Play dirty. It doesn't really matter if you're extremely precise here. It's really cool. And if you add your wah, if you can. But the ending note, it's advisable that you hit that one, okay? another trick. Ending notes you can make, you just hit it hard. And you can add tension by getting into pinch harmonic. Or even additional add wah. It's up to you. If you have a wah, do with wah. If you don't have, just do with pinch harmonics, okay? So, now we need to have an opening phrase, of course. Opening phrase is mostly a bending. You mostly open on position 4, or what you also can do, open on the bending here on the 10th fret in the position 1. Because that's a part of the pentatonics, but you often only make a half tone bend. Okay, so let's see how that works. We open up with bending in position 4 or 1. So you just open, it's nothing special, just go in the bending and then you just start talk with the bending. What I do when I want to make a little effect, I make reverse pinch harmonics. I pull back the pick. Just think about talking and making it sound crazy, and then you're pretty much on the run. Also start working with harmonics. Then you follow the chords. It's really simple to follow the chords. C comes, what I love to do is this one here. This one here you just double stop sliding in the 5th here. To G, G5. And then back to normal playing with harmonics, okay? I'm going to put everything together. I start now, then go into chords. Then I move up with the run, which I showed at the beginning, and then end it up. Yeah, you will see I put together everything which I show now. Oh, and then I ended up in the A5. That's why you need to know the chords, that from time to time you can just jump in and play a chord, okay? So that will be a version which you can do. If this one is too hard for you, you just make this one here. It's simple but really effectful. You make pinky here in the 13 by bending it in the 12. And just stay on that one, and it sounds really cool and intense. Show you. guys, of course there could be way more shown on this topic, but I wanted to keep it as simple as possible, you know, that you have a chance to somehow get somewhere. So you learned the 3 positions. I'm going to write them down for you, plus I'm going to write down the whole solo which I just showed to you, and they're going to be the solo is going to be available as tabs, plus the backing track in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Join them with a free member account to download the stuff, the files you need. A premium member account. Yo, really? No, but this is basically enough to play the dirty thing. It's about intensity and about creating all these, you know, these tensions, and then release the tension again, stuff like that. That makes a big difference. And working on the bendings, with vibrato plus pinch harmonics, you know, getting really extreme. That's the biggest task to do, and the rest should just come out of your guts. You can really go extreme only on these little things which I showed you now, and sometimes you just pop in and just slam in a chord in a way you want. I mean, I just showed you the chords. You can play a C the way like, or you play this, or this, or I don't know, this C, whatever. Just slam in a chord, and that doesn't matter. It really makes the sound really wide. And if you own a wah-wah, you can put more intensity in it, but also it works without wah. Same just with working with pinch harmonics and with vibratos. Also reverse. And think about the talking with the bendings. That's what's basically the main topic, playing really dirty blues rock guitar. Yo, good, one more to say. I already said, if you want to download the stuff, become a member of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. It's worth anyway, also the free member account. And otherwise, please subscribe to my channel and share the knowledge of this channel to all your friends and help it grow. A lot of people say it doesn't have enough subscribers. It's not my fault, guys. I can just do videos. You just share your experience, and that helps me most about my channel here. Good. Me and Dr. Pink are saying goodbye.